If you've tried to make text bold, italic, or crossed out in YouTube comments and realized there's no formatting button, this video will show you the simple workaround that still works right now. To write bold text, type an asterisk before and after your text, like this. To write italic text, put an underscore before and after your text, like this. To write strike-through text, add a hyphen before and after your text, like this. You can also combine formats. For bold and italic together, type an asterisk and underscore before the text and close them the same way, like this. Once you post the comment, YouTube automatically applies the formatting. This works on both desktop and mobile. That's how you write bold, italic, and strike-through text in YouTube comments. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.